Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rushmeen. I'm a grade 10 student and I joined the Digital Services program 1 week ago. And thanks to Sir Abdul Ghaffar, I was able to create my own website. So I would like to give you a tour of it. I hope you like it. So this is the landing page. And you can also access our WhatsApp community and our Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook handles. Then if you scroll down, this is why this course is for you. Why would you choose our platform instead of another one? And we also give optional Q&A sessions 1 or 2 times a week. So if you have any questions, except the recorded lessons, you can feel free to ask. Then, same again, this course is for you and who's it not. You can see if you're comfortable with the designing and everything. So we've pointed some bullet points for you to feel comfortable before joining our course. Then this is the instructor's bio. And you will also be able to see the percentage of how much you've completed the course. It's gonna be like a live progress you'll be able to see beside your course. And once you completed 100%, you'll get a certificate of your name, the instructor's name, and the course's name, which is gonna be provided to you after you complete the course. Then if you scroll down, these are the students' work that the previous students have done. All their work will be displayed here. And these are the reviews, real results, like before and after reviews of students. And these are our graduate wall. If you want your picture, it can also be here, our first graduates. And some frequently asked questions to clear out all your doubts. And you can also join the wait list from here, and you will be notified once we publish the coming soon courses. And if you click courses, you're gonna have a trailer or sample of the way of we teach, so you know how we teach before joining any of the courses. And you will also have a guideline and session, like a roadmap of how the courses are, so you know what you're getting. So these are the curriculum, all the sessions and everything. You can enroll from here, and all of the bullet points of sessions and lessons are listed here. You will receive the videos after you enroll. And now I'm going to show you the backend. When you log in as an admin, this is the dashboard you'll be welcomed with. You will see your revenue, how much money you've earned, how many students have enrolled, how many are in the wait list. And then if you click courses, you can also add new courses from here and even edit the ones you've already created. I kept all of this editable so you don't have to mess with the code every single time. You can edit it from the admin panel. So you can edit the title, the slug, description, even the cover image of your course, the price, and even the status. It's a draft, a coming soon course, or published. You can choose this, and then you can add as many lessons and sessions as you want. Then if we go to the students, it's same again, how many students have enrolled and how many have not. Then orders, all of this is empty. Then waitlist as well. Then we've got testimonials. You can edit the testimonials as well, the name of the student, what they've created, and what was their result. I kept this editable from only the admin panel, so the students can't mess with this, so it's like a guardrail. And the same for artwork gallery, the poster and all of the work that the kids have created. This is also editable. The graduate wall as well. It's up to you what you want to put up there. Not anyone else can edit this. Even the frequently asked questions. You can add as many questions as you want and edit them how as you want. And then the certificate. You can upload a template of the certificate, how your certificate is gonna look, the signature, teacher signature, and the students will receive it once they've completed the course. And if you go to settings, you can edit the hero image, the one you saw at the landing page. Then you can also edit the intro video that I showed you in the course. You can also edit it from here, and social media links as well. This all is editable. You can change it how you want, your WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. All of it is editable. And then back to the site. So this was it about my website. Thank you so much to Digital Services Program for giving me an opportunity to learn all of this and explain it and just build this website. I'm really thankful to Sir Ghaffar for teaching me to build such an amazing website.